The QuoteWerks native product database gives you the ability to organize your items into folders and subfolders. To do so, navigate to the product lookup window by clicking on the products icon on the standard toolbar. Click on the database you wish to organize. To create a new folder, right-click on the database name and a drop-down menu appears. To create a new folder, click New. Enter the folder name and click OK. If you expand the product database, you can see that the new folder has been created. To add items to the newly created folder, select items you wish to add and click on the A button above the search results window, or right-click and select Associate with Folder. This brings up the Select Folder to Associate Items with window. Here you want to select the folder you wish to associate the selected items with and then click OK. A window will appear indicating that the association is complete. If you would like to remove items from a folder, click into the folder, select the products you wish to remove and hit the D button above the search results window, or right-click and select Disassociate with Folder. A window will appear indicating that the disassociation is complete. As you can see, associating and disassociating items with a folder in QuoteWerks is easy. If you have questions or would like to learn more, reach out to our team at 407-248-1481.